This extended cab pickup generally a joy to drive. You will find its gas ethanol V8 5.0L/302 and 6-speed automatic is in great running condition. This vehicle won't last long. Stop in today and go for a test drive.